It is really an incredible honor just to be nominated for the Engelberger Award, that people might think that what we have done is worthy of that recognition, and then to be actually selected, it is humbling. It's surreal. It was overwhelming when Jeff Bernstein called me to tell me that I had been selected for the 2024 Leadership Engelberger Award. One of the very few times in my life I was actually speechless. But I can tell you, while it is humbling, I really appreciate that the industry and colleagues recognize some of the things that we've done and the success we've had. And in that regard, this award really goes out to the teams I've worked with. I've had tremendous opportunity to work with some brilliant, passionate, and motivated people, and I believe that I really should accept this award on their behalf. It is a team that truly moves the process forward. So on behalf of all of them, I thank you for this honor. One thing that was interesting after Jeff had called me and gave me an opportunity to kind of reflect a bit on my career, I really was given some very unique opportunities to be part of the leadership of some wonderful organizations. That includes certainly Kuka Stoibli, my current role here, and privilege of being part of leadership here at Wasion. Certainly the involvement with RIA, which now is A3, is a culmination of the different parts of the organization, and the IFR. Again, I was given really unique opportunity to share the passion that many of us have of what automation means and what it does for manufacturing, for people, for the world in general. So looking back at that, I certainly have to thank people for giving me those opportunities to be part of that, to lead some of these world-class organizations. And certainly in reflecting what we've done in terms of sharing that passion together around automation and what those technologies mean is certainly near and dear to my heart. And I hope that that passion is translated to other people through the years. And I do believe that what we've done has benefited the world as a whole. I guess I hope receiving the Engelberger Award recognition indicates that we've had the opportunity to inspire others to be the best that they can be, inspire them to be involved in our industry. I like to say that don't ask what the automation industry can do for you, ask what you can do for the automation industry. And I'm hoping that being recognized like some of the other leaders of the past, that passion is translated and inspired others to build on their careers in our industry, the automation industry and manufacturing. And again, I thank you for this honor, and I'm really touched. Thank you all.